Hello guys, we are back with another video. So today I want to talk about YieldMax funds concerning, which ones are good or which ones are bad. But, mostly just going to break down the history of it and what I think what's going to happen to them in the future. So, this QQQ chart right now is probably going to be here in the later future video concerning this video, but it's probably a strategy I've been thinking of. So, let's talk about Misty first. So, Misty, as you can see, it's at $21 right now. And as Bitcoin's going all-time highs, Misty's not, because they're paying you distributions. The total return thing, it's almost the same, but not the same. So the point is this: do I think Misty's going to go back to $40? No, I think that's delusional. Unless Bitcoin goes up like really fast in less days, then Misty could go there. But that's less likely. So Misty, as we're in markets that's all-time highs, this thing is just gonna go. Like, I just don't like it. I just don't like stocks or ETFs like YieldMax when we're all-time highs. I'm not comfortable in investing something like a Misty, Nvidia, all that. Basically, the 1 month they pay you monthly. I don't like getting paid monthly. I like getting paid weekly because if you get paid monthly, the gaps are bigger. They're way bigger. So basically, here's a gap right here before the dividend. So it never got here. It never recovered. So that's bad concerning my strategy. But some people don't care about that. They care about total return and all that. But I'm just trying to live it off. Like, I can't. There's some nuances I will show you on this chart that it would work, but not here. Like, let's say you got in here and say, okay, I'm gonna get the dividend. You would have got robbed. You just got your money back. Okay, and then here's another gap. See, this one recovered. It did recover, but I don't like waiting this long. I just don't like it. That's why I like the weeklies. So here, this one right here, it recovered pretty nicely over here. So I'll give it that. So do I think Misty's going to go back to 40s, 30s? I don't think so. Because right now Bitcoin's going like all-time highs, and it's not even close. And then the recent payout, what was it? $1.23. See, you compare it to the $3, and then there's the 147. Dang. So the prices, are going down. So yeah, but here's a nuanced take on it where you would probably be good entering on it. So what you want to do is, so for something like a Misty, you want to get it when the market is down, not up. I can't do it like that. Like, my strategy is different, but for the people who want to hold and go up with the dividends and with the price, you just have to watch the chart. So example is here. Where is it? So basically the strategy is you want the blue thingy lines. I don't know. Don't care about the green in between the green lines. I just want the blue, right? So, and then the RSI has to be below 30, below 30. So right here, it would have been a good dip, but it didn't signal it for the RSI. It happened here, okay? So you would have bought it on X dividend date. So you wouldn't get the dividend until this dividend here. So, but there's a nuance thing. So this happened on September 6, 2024. So you want to go to the QQQ chart and make sure it's down too. So right here, it is going down, but it's not showing, the stuff that I like. So if that doesn't happen, I'll be concerned still. But let's look at the underlying stock. All right, September 6th, it is not doing it. So me personally, I would have missed it out. But, as you can see, it did really well. So like, if this happened to me like yesterday, I wouldn't have gone in because it didn't validate my strategy. But if you did, you just say, you know what, screw it, then you would have rode it pretty well. So how much percent is that? Yeah, see, that is amazing. So right there, like 120%, plus you're getting the distributions, which is amazing. So timing it is amazing. You have to time it if you want to hold it. So here's another one. This one is a recent one. Okay, let's see. So right here, this is February 25th, 2025. So, all right. Okay, let's go to the Qs. So February 25th. See, it's not even close. Not even close. Let's check Mr., for example. So February 25th, Mr. does validate it. So here I would, debate myself. Probably I would, probably I wouldn't, because I like seeing the market go down, basically showing the same points. But, something like Mr., like, I'm not a fan of MicroStrategy, so I don't think I'll ever invest in Mr. or Misty. So yeah, here's a sign too. So once it has that, then, maybe, just maybe I would have gotten in at the time. So your price would have been, what? Let's say 19, 20 bucks. So as you can see, you would have got distributions, and then you would be up like, I don't know, less percent, like 2, 5%. That's still good. Okay, that's still good because you're getting distributions and you're being stable. But you got to be cautious because this was like near the bottoms, especially right here, $17. right now we're going high. I don't know how Mr. is doing. Let me check. Didn't even check. So Mr. C, like you can see the difference because it's like nearing its all-time high compared to Misty is not even close to its all-time high. So something like that, I would be concerned. I would have liked this would have been way better right here. Like that run is amazing. That's what you want to see. So yeah, that's on Misty part. Same thing with Nvidia. Nvidia, I believe, is another one that you might get rocked because where Nvidia right now it's at its all-time highs, and then look at the price, it's not even here. So here, let me check. Hasn't. There's not one. Okay, the first one. See right here. See. Okay, when is this? April 4th, 2025. I don't think Nvidia would have done that because Nvidia always goes up. So 2025. See, okay, right here. See, it's near there, so pretty good concerning there. Let's check the Qs. So the Qs also, see, this is definitely where I would have gotten in. But again, this is not my strategy. I don't do this. I'm just showing you guys something that I found out that I've been, searching up. So Enterprise. Wait, no, this is Nvidia. Okay. Right. So my Enterprise would be right here. Let's say 13 bucks. You would be up right now 21%, which is amazing with the distributions that you're probably living off. Then good. All right. So you got to remember, you're going to be in these temporarily. You do not want to be these all the time. Okay. You have to use a strategy, or else you just get rock bottom. So I want to see another time concerning Nvidia C, because as you can see, none of them hit it because you got to see the 30s. Shoot, only one time. I'm surprised. I mean, here it basically did, but not even near there. So it only happened one time, I guess. I guess here it didn't even do it. So that's Nvidia. If the audio sucks, which it probably does, I'm sorry. Like, I know, just bear with it. I know it's annoying. I would hate it too. So I don't know. Let me check. Let's go with a Tesla, which the stock is not doing good. So something like if the stock is not doing good, then the whole this strategy won't even do good either. Because see, many times I would have gotten here, I would have gotten rocked, right? Because Tesla has not been performing well, especially Tesla even worse. So you would probably get in here, and then many times here, and then here. Yeah, it's just a mess. So it has to be on companies that are really good. Tesla is just too volatile. We don't know. The CEO, Elon Musk, is just, I don't know, going crazy. So Tesla is another one. I don't believe it's ever going to go like these prices, 18. I don't think it will hit $10 even because it just keeps distributing. So yeah, like the whole total return thing, that's on your side. I don't know. I don't know what you're doing. It's just like you're putting $10,000 in jail for no reason. I don't know why. You just get the $10,000 and then you just divide it into chunks and then pay off your bills. It's basically the same thing. I don't see a difference, but that's the reality of it. Like some people are just blind. I don't know. I just don't get it. So this is Nvidia. There's many more. I'll do one more. Hui I meant. So this one's amazing. So this is an early one, so everything is jacked up. It won't work. But Hui is another one. I believe it won't ever reach these prices ever again because they're going to be paying you out all the time. So be aware. We're in all-time high markets right now, and then this thing's going to get rocked. I know it is because that's what YieldMax always do, especially when we have big boy runs like that. We saw it with the Misties. We saw it with the Nvidias. It just won't get there. So even Palantir is another one for that. So this is the video I got for you. I know the audio sucks, but I like, the recording on the phone is better, but I just like showing it on desktop. So thank you guys. See you on the next